Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am talking about Winter Storm Dorothy and the East Rain. So, Winter Storm alert for Colony, Denver, and Cheyenne. Winter weather advisories for, it doesn't show right now, oof. Winter storm watches for Goodland, Sauk City, Minneapolis, and Marquette. And then places that are supposed to get some snow are Omaha and Des Moines. Also supposed to get snow. Tuesday's forecast: Cheyenne and Denver snow, Goodland snow, Sauk City snow, Rochester snow. The only cities that it will stick to is Cheyenne, Denver, and Goodland, while Sauk City and Rochester are not. Wednesday's forecast: 33. Minneapolis 33 and Marquette 33. Those will probably stick just due to the other snow that went past before them. So there are some spots for 18 inches around Cheyenne, Denver area, and then some in Marquette. Are supposed to get over 12 inches. Mostly 5 inches for Sauk City, Colony, Denver, Cheyenne, Minneapolis, and Marquette. And then Omaha, LaCroix, and Goodland are not supposed to. And then this is the East Rain. So it's starting up with the moisture. So Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Arkansas are supposed to get some rain. And then, geez, this looks like crazy. But almost the entire East Coast is supposed to get some rain. Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Kentucky, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Ohio, Indiana, and Michigan. So, this low pressure is pushing on down, and then snow from right around there. And then the Gulf of Mexican air or moisture is supposed to go up, and then also the Pacific air is supposed to go up, while this pushes the Pacific air into the Gulf moisture air, and then it all pushes into like right around this area, because right around there was not supposed to get any rain or snow. So my estimated time for Save the Tree, Plant a Tree, Save the Earth, Plant a Tree is never. We're never supposed to get it. And 30 days till Christmas. Estimated time for Team Trees is actually March 10th, 2020. So around 77 days from now. So yeah. Finally, so that is Winter Storm Dorothy and East Rain. Bye.